In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 common English mistakes and how to fix them. Before we start, download your free English grammar booklet from the video description. Okay, the first mistake, she described me the situation. This is incorrect. In English, we describe something to somebody. So when I say she described me, it means she said what I look like, or she said something about my personality. But she didn't describe me. She described the situation. So she told me something about the situation. So the full sentence should be, she described the situation to me. It's the same with the verb to explain. So she explained the situation to me. So you explain something to somebody. The next mistake is this. Let's make a party for my birthday. So the word party in English normally goes with the verbs to have or to throw. So to have a party and to throw a party, which means to organize a party. So we should say, let's have a party for my birthday, or let's throw a party for my birthday. So this is something that we call a collocation in English. So it's a combination of words that always go together and they sound natural together. And the best way to learn collocations in English is to do a lot of reading. So if you read and you notice combinations of words, then you can highlight them, you can write them down, and you can think of some examples of sentences using those collocations. I really recommend it. The final mistake, she gave me a good advice. So advice is actually uncountable. So we can't use an indefinite article with advice. We can't say a good advice or an advice. That's incorrect. So we just need advice. She gave me good advice. But you can also say a piece of advice. So a piece of advice is countable. It's one piece or two pieces of advice. So you can say she gave me advice or she gave me a piece of advice. It's the same with words like water. She gave me water. Water is uncountable, but she gave me a glass of water. In this sentence, a glass is countable. So we've got an article, a glass of water. Also, don't confuse advice with advise. So these are very different. Advice is a noun and advise is a verb. I want to advise you to learn English. I want to give you some advice. Don't forget to download your free English grammar booklet from the video description and tell me in the comments, what is the main thing you have learned from this video? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.